Hello dear viewers, welcome to my another new Excel video. So today I'm gonna share about if function. So let's get started and let me share the screen. Okay, I'm going to share the screen just a wait. So here today I will see you how to use if function and how to calculate commission easily by using if function. So here you can see the all information has been given. Okay, so now I will see you how to calculate commission by using if function. So first we have to give equation sign, then write down if, then give first bracket. Okay, so we have to give logical test here. It will be logical test d10, which will be less than or equal to a4 actually, then comma, uh, then of course again d8, which will be multiplied by 2.5%, that means b4, then comma, then again of course if function will be here, again uh, give a first bracket, then write down d8 of course, which will be less than or equal to, of course less than or equal to, uh, of course 2 lakh, then comma, uh, d8, again click on d8, d10 actually, which will be multiplied by 5%, then comma, uh, then click on d10, which will be multiplied by of course uh, d6, then bracket close. This will be double bracket, then click on enter option, then you can see we got easily the result actually. Then what will be the rest of the result? We can easily calculate it. Just we need to freeze which number that number, those number will be changed, then we have to just freeze those number. So just freezing those number. Okay, and click on again here, and okay, then double click all the blank, uh, all the blank option will be filled. So here you can see the result. Usually we calculated all the commission, okay, rapidly and very easily. So in this way we can solve various problems by using if function with Microsoft Excel. So that's all for today, and thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and share my videos if you enjoyed my videos. So thank you very much.